Good morning, students. Today we shall start a new chapter, that is chapter number 7, permutation and combination. In case of permutation and combination, it is a way with the help of which we can adjust the different kind of things. Means if a work is done by us, then in how many ways that work can be done by us is calculated with the help of permutations, means arrangements. And whenever we go with the help of permutations, we can arrange the different things and different ways a work can be done by us. In how many ways can be explained on the behalf of permutation. And also in this chapter we will discuss about the factorial and factorial notations and how to calculate the value of its factorial. Now let us see, we discuss one example. See, for example, we have a name that is YASH. It is a 4-letter name, YASH. Any other 4-letter name like Rose, ROSE. These are the 4-letter name. So it is just an example that I have take a 4-letter name. You can take a 5-letter name also, you can take a 6-letter name also, you can take a 3-letter name also. For example, 3-letter name AVI, Avi. So it is also 3-letter name. So it is your choice, you can take any one. I just discuss with the help of one example. See, if I have this letter with the 4 different alphabet, then in how many ways I can arrange these letters to make a name. See this one. If I fix first letter, that is Y, is fixed, then these 3 letters are with B, so that I can rotate these 3 letters in such a manner by keeping A fixed, S and H, by keeping A fixed, H and S. Now keeping Y here, in place of A it is S, A and H. Y here it is S, it is H and A. Again Y here. Now A and S are fixed. Now is turned to H. It is A and S. It is Y. It is H. It is S and A. If you observe carefully, the letters are same, but I just go for arrangement of these letters. First letter Y is kept fixed here, and second letter, first A is fixed, then S and H rotate its position, then S is fixed, then A and H interchange its position, then H is fixed, A and S interchange its position. In this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 different words can be generated with the help of this letter YASH by keeping Y at the first position. Similarly, when we kept A at the first position and remaining 3 letters Y, S and H rotate, then what happened? This A is there, Y is there, H, S. Then A is here, H is here, Y and S. A is here, H is here, S and Y. A is here. Now Y and H are the fixed. Then what is left? Only S. S is here. What is left? Y and H. A, S, H and Y. Again you observe there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Again there are the 6 different words. Now let us move to the third one. By keeping in place of A, Y is fixed, A is fixed. Now it is turned to fix the S. If we fix the S, let it write down S first of all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now Y, it is A, it is A. Then Y and A, Y and H. It is H and Y. Now after A it is H, then it is A and Y, it is H, it is Y and A. After that A is fixed, H is fixed. Now turn for Y, Y is here, then A and H and H and A. If you observe, there are again 6 different words you can generate with the help of S. Now Come to the next one. Y is fixed, A is fixed, S is fixed, only remaining H. So by keeping H fixed, what is? It is A, it is A, it is, after that A we can arrange S and H, H and S. After A we can go with S, then S, then it is A and Y. Pause करिए. Now arrange this one, HY, HY, it is AS, it is SA. Again we see there are the 6 different words. If you observe, 6 word will be obtained by fix first letter, 6 word will be obtained by fix second letter, 6 word will be obtained by fix third letter, 6 word will be obtained by fourth letter. So total letters are 24. So therefore in front of you there are 24 different words will be obtained by arranging these words, by arranging these alphabet into the form of word. It is not necessary that these words having a meaning or not, because our work is to arrange these letters in such a way such that they will make a word maybe meaning or maybe without meaning. So this process is called as the permutation, but every time it is not possible to find out these letters of the word. For example, if we say arrange the word permutation, then how many alphabet are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 11 or 12 words are there in one word. There are, so in that case it is not possible to arrange like that to find out the different alphabet. So we have a short method to understand about the concept of permutation. Now see, Y, A, S and H. There are 4 different alphabet, and remember there are 4 different alphabet. How can we go for the arrangement of 4 different alphabet? Number 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are total 4 positions. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It means I can write down Y anywhere, A anywhere, S anywhere and H anywhere, because it is not necessary the word is a meaning or not, but it is our duty to arrange these 4 different alphabet. So number 1, if a student want to arrange any one of the alphabet, any one, how many alphabets are available to us? 1, 2, 3 and 4. He or she can choose any one alphabet. For example, he choose Y. Now he want to kept Y in these 4 places. At which place he can put the value of Y? He have 4 different options. He can put the value of Y anywhere. So it means the first space can be filled by 4 ways. This is 4 ways. Out of these 4 box he can substitute the value in any one of the box. After filling the Y, now the turns come for A. Now how many boxes are left? 3 boxes. So this A can be written in any one of the box. It means he have the 3 different ways. So this can be arranged by 3 different ways. Now after fixing the A, now next word is S. How many boxes are left? 2. Now it can be arranged by the 2 different ways. And at the last H, only one alphabet, one box is there, so it can be arranged by only 1 ways. So total number of ways are, how can we calculate total number of ways are? The simple way, go for product. Total number of ways is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 ways into 3 ways into 2 ways into 1 ways. Total number of ways are 24. If you observe, the result is same. So it can be arranged by different method. See, now I have given one more example. The another name we can write down in the different manner. For example, the name of any student we can write like Lokesh. Lokesh. How many alphabet are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. and all these alphabet are different. If we arrange like that, it will be so much time consuming. But if we write down directly, see this one, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 are there. So how many box we can generate here? We can generate here 6 box, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. The first place means any one of the alphabet can be arranged by 6 ways, next can be arranged by 5 ways, next can be arranged by 4 ways, next can be arranged by 3 ways, next can be arranged by 2 ways, next can be arranged by 1 ways. So total number of ways are 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is equals to 720. So it is the easiest method to arrange all these one. It is quite difficult and complicated and time consuming method, so we never apply this method. We always go with this method to simplify a